The CFE exam used to be called UFE or Uniform Evaluation when the CA, CGA, and CMA designations existed. Then in 2015, the three designations merged and the new CFE exam was born. When you start Capstone 2, you'll get access to some of those old UFE cases. So should you write them? For first-time CFE writers, there is no point. You have so many CFE cases that you won't have time to write those old UFEs and the new CFEs. For experienced writers, yes, I recommend writing some of them. I suggest allocating them to the beginning of your studies, so before you've written all the CFEs and supplemental cases. UFE cases will be more of a technical review for you because they are quite different from CFEs in terms of finding requireds and solving the AOs. Some of the technicals like tax are also outdated, so you should use UFEs mostly for MA, finance, and strategy. These competencies don't really change over time. Here's a list of UFE cases which I personally like. I suggest starting with this. If you happen to have more time, expand and write even more UFEs. Depending when you took Capstone 2, some of these cases may have been removed from your modules, so you won't have access to them. If that's the case, just write the ones you do have access to. Bottom line, for most people, don't write UFEs. They're too old. But if you're an experienced writer and you already went through the CFEs one round, then it's useful to write them. Treat them as a technical review, meaning don't try to finish them in a time limit. Just try to answer AOs as accurately as possible and debrief with the marking guys to understand the underlying technicals.